What is happening, guys? Gary Jahman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. And this right here is the Sony ZV-E10. And as you see, it is made for vlogging. And I'm actually searching for a replacement of my trusty old Sony A6000, which you're seeing right now as my overhead shot camera. And this, what you see, is only the body only version, because I already got a few lenses, such as of course the kit lens, which you're seeing right now. Right, so this is still a really good lens if you are a beginner. So let's begin right away with unboxing this little guy, the ZV-E10 interchangeable lens vlog camera by Sony. So very curious, very exciting. Right, here it goes. Dun, dun, dun. 1 year extended warranty. Make sure that you enter or register yourself, because then you get extra warranty, which is always a good thing to have. Right, guarantee, information document, register your product, etc., etc. Put it here. Ooh. Ooh la la. What's this? What is this? Oh, a little dead cat. Look at this. Alright. A power cable. So one for the UK and one for normal EU. Right, put this aside. There's also part of the charger. Right, but I already got those things. Put that aside. Battery, I've got tons and tons of battery. So this is still the old NPFW50 battery, and I got like 4 of those. Put that aside. USB-C cable, that is new. USB-C. A nice little strap, and here it is, the grand finale. Nothing else. All right. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, ooh! It feels really similar to my Sony A6000. Nice. Flippy screen, guys. Ho ho ho! Protect your screen as well. It really feels like the Sony A6000. It really feels like that. Okay, how to put on the dead cat, like so, I guess. Alright, cool. And a nice APS-C sensor. Ho 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 ho. Very nice, very nice. On off button on the top, a nice big record button, zoom in, zoom out. So I think we can just put directly this guy on it. On this side we got nothing. On the bottom we got the battery compartment and the SD card slot, tripod, and here a nice door with USB-C and a micro HDMI and also a headphone jack. Cool. And here we got the microphone input itself. Alright, let's put one of those guys here and turn it on. Alright, here it is. And we're good to go, guys. The screen looks really cool, by the way. I'm not sure how to change the mode, but the screen is much better than from the Sony A6000. Woohoo! Alright, so let's check this thing out. That works, even with an old lens of 2014. Now you can also see image quality from the Sony ZV-E10 with the kit lens, straight out of camera, 4K 25 frames per second. the audio as well. What do you think about it? Does it look good? Does it look decent? So now you can also see it on that little screen right there. How does it look? I don't know. On this little screen, it actually looks pretty good. I have to admit, it looks pretty good. Eye autofocus is working as well, even through my glasses. Very impressive. Alright, so far I think it looks pretty good. We'll see. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to see the full review in a couple of weeks. And then we'll know if this will replace my trusty old Sony A6000. Alright, that's all guys. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe to the channel if not already. Like the video, comment down below. What do you think about the Sony ZV-E10? What do you want to know? Let me know in the comment section down below. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy. Good luck.